Hey, crypto trading friends, this is going to be video number 14 out of 17 of my Crypto Trading for Beginners series. And today I will be talking to you guys about trading logs and why they are important and how you can create a basic trading log for yourself. But before we dive into the video, for those of you who are looking for a solid crypto exchange to trade crypto futures on and would like to try out the same exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange here with the link in the video description down below this video. All right, guys, so this video is going to be a bit on the shorter side, but if you want to become a serious crypto trader, one of the most powerful tools that you can use isn't some fancy indicator or expensive software or anything like that. It's simply a trading log, all right? Which honestly is it's basically a record of all of your trades that you take. And I know it might sound boring, extremely boring compared to the excitement of charts and candles, but logging your trades is how you turn trading from a hobby into an actual profitable skill that lasts a literal lifetime, all right? So, why are trading logs important though? All right. One, trading logs let you track your progress because without a log, trading feels like random wins and losses. But with a trading log, you can visually see where you are improving in time. All right. And number two, you can spot patterns in your trading behavior and they help you to notice your emotional mistakes as well, such as overtrading after a loss or exiting trades too early. All right. Number three, you're able to measure what is working for you and you'll be able to discover, the setups, the coins, and time frames that are giving you the best results, which then allows you to be able to refine your strategy and drop the things that are not working for you. And lastly, trading logs help you to be able to build discipline because the simple act of writing down your plan and your trades forces you to trade more thoughtfully instead of impulsively. All right. So now you might be asking yourself, what to include in a basic trading log. And a beginner friendly trading log doesn't need to be complicated or anything like that. All right. But your trading log should at least include the basics, such as date and time of when you entered and exited the trade, the asset's name of the coin that you're personally trading, whether you're long or short on the coin, your entry price, your exit price, your overall position size, your stop loss and take profit levels, the overall result of your trade, your reasoning for entering the trade, and lastly, any notes or emotions that you personally felt during the trade. All right. Here, I'll go ahead and show you a copy of my personal trading log that I use on a regular basis. All right. Now, I don't have everything that, again, everybody's trading log is different. It's all about what works best for you and what you personally want to track. Me, I track the date of the trade, the pair that I traded, whether I'm long or short on the trade, my entry price, the margin that I used in the trade, the leverage that I'm using in the trade, and the overall position size and my exit price. And then I also track the percentage that I made and lost on the trade, um, the percentage that I made, and I don't know why I have two of them here. Shit, I just noticed that. But yeah, the percentage that I made and lost, and then I also track and then I also go ahead and I track my weekly percentage and profits made as well. All right. And then I also track my monthly percentage and profits that I made also. So as you guys can clearly see, it's going to be different for everybody. It's realistically all a matter of what works best for you and what you want to personally include in your trading log. But nonetheless, having a trading log really, really, really does help you to be able to see what you're doing wrong, what you're doing right, and where you can improve on. All right. Overall, though, guys, if you're serious about becoming a crypto trader or a profitable crypto trader, a trading log is honestly a non negotiable. All right. It's quite literally your personal roadmap to improvement, showing you what works, what doesn't work, and how your mindset affects your results as well. All right. And you can make one of them from a basic Google spreadsheet as well, like I just showed you mine was. All right. Now, in the next part of this 17 video beginner series, I will be talking about some of the most common mistakes to avoid as a new crypto trader and how to avoid them. But before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you guys are serious about learning crypto trading and you have not already joined, then I would like to go ahead and invite you to my premium crypto trading education Discord server, where you can do things like ask me questions, you can get one-on-one help with me whenever you want it, you can see how I trade in real time, and you can get even more in-depth knowledge on trading in general, and you can find the link to join that Discord server in the link below, in the description below this video as well. Outside of that though, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video and you feel like you got some pretty decent value out of it, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below this video, and with that said, for those of you guys who stuck around and watched this whole video throughout the whole thing, thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I hope to see you all in my future videos.